In this video, we're going to be talking about the function of the electrical systems of our water features. These are a few of the light bars that we'll be discussing. In our system, we use three different types of light bars. The first is our basic light bar, which is controlled with a toggle switch, which allows you to turn the water and the lights on at the same time. The second one is our standard light bar, which has a three-way pull chain, which will allow you to turn the water on without the lights on without the water, or both of them on at the same time. And third is our deluxe light bar, which also has a three-way pull chain, but in addition to that, it has a dimmer switch, which will allow you to control the brightness of the lights. In our deluxe light bar, the lights are controlled with both the pull chain and the dimmer switch. Both have to be on in order for the lights to work properly.